Hello, today we will be talking about our Hotel Chat AI, your team members. So for introduction for our Hotel Chat AI, it is meant to revolutionize the hospitality industry. It provides a 24/7 real-time support, which means automatic on-the-fly responses, and with its multilingual ability, it can easily overcome any language barrier. So here are some of the problems that we saw that frequently appeared in the hospitality industry. Some of them consist of inconsistent information on hotel websites or even language barriers between hotel staff and international guests and more. And in order to tackle these problems, our solution consisted of increasing availability, having more efficient integration, having multilingual accessibility, and having more consistent support. Accessibility-wise, we have an inclusive design, which means our virtual assistant can support multiple languages, which means whoever wants to use the bot, no matter what language or location, they can access the information they need. And we also have various themes or colors and font sizes, which means hotels can customize the bot however to their own preference and their own liking. It is also very mobile friendly. As you can see, it can adapt to the sizes tablet, smartphone, or desktop. And scalability, our virtual assistant is designed to easily scale when more hotels adopt the system with a pre-trained LLM and receives prompts. The onboarding process of our AI to new hotels is quick and simple. Here is an example of it working with an actual hotel website. As you can see here, the chatbot already offers a couple of options based off of frequently asked questions of hotel guests. Right away, click of a button and the chatbot will offer a bunch of answers. Another option that guests have is that they can type in their questions, doing here. So we are asking what are the prices of these rooms that the chatbot talks about, and right away the chatbot answers again. So what it does is taking all the information already in the hotel website and making it much more accessible for the guests. You can simply click the link that the bot is giving us, and it shows automatically all the rooms and prices that our guests asked for. Another option is if the bot is not sufficient enough in its answers, we can also ask to chat with an actual person or an actual employee at the hotel. So what you just need to do is click that button where it says chat with a real person, enter in your information, such as your email, the subject of your question, and then submit it. And then we will go into the side of the hotel employees. So a hotel employee will see this side of the chatbot. They can access the chat. And so once they click it, look at it, they can then go in themselves and answer any questions that a hotel guest has on their own. So here we can see the hotel employees responding. And then you can kind of see that back and forth between the hotel employee and our guest. And it's very clear of when the guest is talking to AI or when it's talking to an employee. Here is an example of our chatbot being used on a smartphone. Here we're using the Line app, which is a popular social media platform in Taiwan.
Well, how does Hotel Chat AI work? When the user initially sends a message to the assistant, the user's message is sent to the server along with the chat history. The server adds on the information of the hotel, like what rooms are currently available, what is the current price, and then passes that to OpenAI. OpenAI filters out the relevant information, returns a medium-like response back to the server, which then returns the message to the user. However, we realized we wanted a more sophisticated system because we wanted to be able to delete messages, have timestamps, and more. So we also wanted to support tickets. So we added a Next.js app with Daisy UI. We used a complex socket IO system for instant messaging, and we also added a database so we could look on previous messages, line integration, and we added an invisible captcha to prevent bots. So here's a new map of how the bot works. When the user, first the user solves an invisible captcha to get a token. When they send their message to the chat, the token is passed along, and the server verifies the token so they know that the user is a real person. Then the server saves the user's message in Firebase. It asks for a response from OpenAI and returns that information back to the user. Now, say the user creates a ticket because they need help. The bot can't answer their question. So when the user's tickets or opening request is sent to the server, which then responds, yes, the ticket has been created to the user and the hotel admin. Now, if the hotel admin wants to reply with a solution, their message goes to the server, which then pops back to the user. And then lastly, we also added line integration. So if the user sends a message to the Line business account, then Hotel Chat AI will receive a notification from Line, and then Hotel Chat AI will generate a response, send that back to Line, which sends it to the user. As you can see. And here are some of our data objects. Here's the chatbox front end. So this is the chatbox the user sees in Next.js. Here is the backend. So here's some of the functionality behind the chat. And there's a lot. Yeah. Thank you for watching.